right, everybody, welcome back. It is day 2 of the Fiverr redo my animated logo challenge. Well, not really a challenge, but just want to see what these guys got. So after last night, I went to bed, and in the middle of the night, I got two notifications one notification that one of the vendors was finished already. Actually, let me, get myself situated here. There. So one of the vendors was done already, quick, and it was Studio 8. Uh, and then shortly after that, before I was on my way to work, I got the other vendor with the uh, five animations. How much was that one? I forget. But we're gonna check with those in a minute here. But they were done. So I was looking at them while I was at work, and loved I love what I received. So this is part 2. I decided to separate them in different parts, so they're not one big video. So tomorrow, the third vendor should be finished with that one. So we're going to go to Fiverr and we're going to show you guys what it looks like. So we'll go to messages. Okay, that's something different. Get out the way. Okay, so it looks different on a phone. Okay. Actually, I liked what I. Yeah, I'm going ahead and approve this order. There we go. Electronic music interface. There we go. Accent. And yeah, we'll give videos and get them downloaded. Okay, so plans. I dismissed that. So we're gonna go through a few of them, and I'm gonna pick out a couple that I like the best. We'll go through the 4K ones. Sometimes it take a minute to load. I'm just going to randomly pick a couple just to show you. Because it's 4K, that's probably why its file size is so large. There was one that I did see that I was like, oh, yeah, there it is. I was really liking. When I was looking at them on the phone at work, yes, I was previewing at work. Nice, right? And that was what, $40, I believe. Yeah, and we ended up getting so 2, 4, 6, 1, 2. So I got 300. Well, 50 in 6 different formats. So that is pretty good, in my opinion. Let me see if there was another one. We'll just randomly pick one. Some of them are kind of repeats of ones that I already have, but I didn't have them in transparency. So what I'll do, I'll do like a clip of all the top ones that I really like. And you can imagine like having 50 different ones, and then I can just, with the transparency, I can put them in my backdrop, so when I'm doing karaoke and things of that nature. Yeah, something like that. You recognize this one. So it's done a little bit differently on that one. I like it. It's almost like an updated version. Let me see. There's a couple when I first was looking at them. That's one I have before. But see how clean they are, though. Very professional looking. There has to be a way I can scroll through these things. This one is another one I like. It's kind of like an iris kind of deal. It's kind of weird to look through these things. Maybe not. Which one was that? I don't know. But, you get the idea. You definitely get the idea. They did a really good job. This one you already saw. This reminds me of the one, there's a basketball time machine guy that I watch a lot, and that music, they use that for his logo, so he probably used the same company. This is a real nice one too. So we got all those downloaded, and it's what? Let me see. 51, 52, 50, 300 clips for $55.98. Can't beat that. So next we're going to go to the other. Actually, I don't want to do that. Let's do this. Go to our messages again. And view this delivery. And this is the one that did, let me see, this one was for $20 for 5 different animations. So let's see what this guy got for us. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Fine. Oh, that's okay. I like that. I can definitely put that on like a loop. How do I go? Okay. The next one. You see, I like the ripple effect on the bottom right there. That's slick. This one I couldn't wait to see how it looked on the big screen. Oh, that's like I'm coming up like Thor, and I'm loving it. See, I didn't even notice. The shininess going across the top right there. Plus, I was looking for my phone, so. And this is the 5th one. Oh, so subtle. And that was for $20, and I'm definitely happy with these right here. So we only have one more to check out, and that one should be done by tomorrow. And so how do I get out of this? Oops, let's go back to messages, because some people, they use not Fiverr, Dropbox to deliver everything. Some people, they do it in other ways. Okay, so this one is, I have to download them individually. Respond in the next 3 days. Yes, I approve the delivery. So that's that. So I'm gonna go through all of them, and I like to separate the ones that are like my favorites, and put them in different folders so I can use them for different projects. I do have karaoke night coming up tomorrow, so I definitely on the big screen. And what I'll do, I'll take pictures and post them on my social media, what they look like on the big screen. So make sure you tune in to that. Check out my and what I'll do, I'll also put at the end on part 3, I'll put the links to all 3 of these wonderful sellers. So if you have a logo that you want to animate it, or just want to check out Fiverr in general, I'll leave a link for that in the descriptions. And I believe that is it for real for today. But I'm definitely pleased. I need to upload my Mixcloud mixes from this past Friday. I have another Friday night coming up. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to me on Mixcloud, make sure you do so. I am at Beer Cellar every Friday night in Newport, Kentucky, for everyone that's in the tri-state area of Ohio, Kentucky, Indiana. I'm there every Friday from 8 till midnight. And I stream live on Twitch, but more so on Mixcloud now, because once I'm done DJing, Mixcloud automatically places the audio. So if you're not able to be there physically, after the fact, I can post the mix right away and you can check it out as if you were there. So what else am I doing? What else do I got going on? I got my Mixcloud, my Twitch, Instagram, new logo animations, a lot of things coming up in the next few weeks. And as always, take care of each other and especially yourselves. And oh, by the way, have to put up my reviews for my Stitch Fix and Stately boxes. I have a bunch of videos that I have yet to put up. I've been so busy. So if you like my threads and everything, I'll put a link on in the description as well. If you want to try out Stately and Stitch Fix. Matter of fact, I'll show you. I actually just got this one the other day over the weekend. I'm loving this hoodie, not hoodie, but this sweater and jeans set. It feels really good on my skin. Unfortunately, I wore it to work, and I work in a storage facility and had to pick up a window air conditioner, and it got stuff all over me. And this is a very expensive sweater, so can't dress nice at work anymore. But once again, you all just take care of each other, especially yourself. As always, like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or any comments, or if you're a seller on Fiverr, drop a comment. Let's check you out. See what you can do. You can find so many different things in Fiverr, as far as like you can find a copywriter, you can find a ghostwriter if you're a recording artist, a producer if you're an artist or a producer. You can find music. If you need someone to do voiceovers for something, or just help you write out a contract. I mean, there's so many things in Fiverr, and I'm always telling people to check it out and just see what's out there. Like if you need a logo created, there's logo creators out there. But and you can get them for not a whole lot, and you can see their work. So once again, we are going to sign off right now, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next chapter, and we'll see what our last vendor has done for us. All right, y'all take care.